Welcome to a new era of email marketing for travel professionals. My name is Joni Ogg. So we're not talking about the same tired blasts or generic deals in this video. This is about standing out in a world of AI, smarter inboxes, and busy clients. Think practical strategies grounded in real life, not just theory. Human connection matters more than ever before, even as technology continues to evolve. So let's discover how genuine relationships become your competitive edge. Ready to rethink email campaigns for 2026 and beyond. Let's face it, most email strategies still rely on the old school blast approach. Sending generic deals to everyone isn't going to cut it anymore. Subscribers are overwhelmed and their inboxes have no patience for irrelevant messages. AI filters are catching spam faster than ever before, and clients never even see it. If we don't evolve, our messages won't survive the first wave of digital gatekeepers. And what worked in the past is now a sure way to be ignored or land straight in the junk folder. So it's time to rethink what a real campaign looks like in today's tech-driven world. AI is changing everything in travel. We see booking engines and itinerary builders running on AI, and chatbots now handle client questions around the clock. But technology alone isn't what sets you apart. The most successful travel pros double down on what AI simply can't replace. And that's the personal relationship, the nuances, the trust, the details like knowing that Linda will never sit by a window or eat at buffets. This is your true competitive edge, more valuable now than ever before. Your email strategy is how you deliver and you reinforce that human touch. Email still delivers the strongest marketing returns for travel professionals. Think of it as the backbone supporting all your digital outreach. But it can't exist on its own. Your emails should work hand in hand with your website and your social media, even your AI tools. When email connects with your entire digital presence, your message is consistent and stronger. And if you treat email as a standalone channel, it quickly becomes isolated and it loses some of its impact. So be sure to build connections. Don't let email become an empty island. Your email list truly is gold. No matter what Google or social does with their algorithms, this list is yours. This is your direct line to your clients. No one can take that away. Choosing the right platform really does matter. So think about tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit. These tools now bring powerful AI features to maximize engagement. Your platform isn't just for convenience. It's about smarter, more effective marketing. And legal compliance isn't optional. Think CAN-SPAM, GDPR, and CASL. Following the law shows clients that you take their privacy very seriously. Treat this as a point of pride and trust, not just a checkbox. And protect your list, and it will become your strongest asset. Now, inbox filters have become incredibly smart, and they can screen us out before our emails even reach somebody. It's not just about avoiding words like deal or free anymore. It's about signals like engagement and sender reputation. A healthy, permission-based list with real, engaged subscribers still gets you into inboxes. Bought or sold, bloated lists end up spam without a second thought. Pruning your list has never been more important. Make it a habit to re-engage or remove inactive contacts at least twice a year. Sending anything to undisclosed recipients? That's not only unprofessional, it might be illegal. So protect your sender reputation if you want your messages to be seen. Every subscriber asks themselves, what's in it for me, as soon as your email hits their box. It's easy to focus on what we want. We want bookings, clicks, and conversions. but your audience cares about value, not your bottom line. If what you send isn't genuinely useful or interesting, you're competing with their delete button. Think about solving their problems, offering insight, or giving them something they can't find elsewhere. AI tools are scanning your emails before real people even read them. If your value isn't obvious right away, your message gets filed under promos and it might get lost. Make your purpose and relevance crystal clear in the first sentence or risk becoming invisible. And think about what really grabs your client's attention. Offering exclusive departures with limited availability creates genuine excitement. And sharing demand surges before they become common knowledge positions you at the go-to resource. Clients want personalized experiences, an AI-generated outline that feels unique, not mass-produced. And curated guides that reflect the travel industry shows you truly understand them as individuals. It's that tailored, relevant content that keeps your emails from getting tuned out. Blasting a one-size-fits-all offer is just noise. And when we email everyone as if they're all the same, almost nobody feels really spoken to. Too many irrelevant offers actually drive people to unsubscribe, and they hurt your reputation. So think about who the message is truly for before you craft it. A beach lover and a Patagonia trekker need completely different emails from you. That's where smart segmentation comes in. Modern AI tools are a game changer for this. They can instantly spot which clients engage, click, or are ready for something new. So let these platforms do the heavy lifting so that your time is spent wisely. And when you use segmentation and AI together, your emails hit the mark every time. So let's bring it all together with the key takeaways from today. First, make your email list a top priority. Protect it and use professional tools to manage it well. Second, value comes first. Always think about what your subscriber gets out of every message. Segmentation is non-negotiable. Only send targeted content to the right audience. And finally, don't be afraid to let AI do the grunt work for you. Your competitors probably already are. And every one of these steps will give you a real edge in today's crowded digital space. If you want to learn more, watch for part 2, where we're going to dig into how to structure your emails for credibility and bookings. You can find it soon at travelprofessionalnews.com. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope that you found a fresh and practical session and ideas that you can implement immediately. All these sites offer additional resources for travel professionals. So if you're interested in expanding your business or finding the right host agency, just check out our sites. We genuinely appreciate your support, so please consider liking or sharing the tutorial. And stay tuned for more content. And subscribe if you want to be the first to know about the next release.